Yo, what is up, guys? It's Smokescreen 38, Trans Aaron 38, and today we're taking a look at something very different on both my channels. I'm doing a live stream and doing this video review at the same time. I got friends in the chat over there commenting on my stream, and this is the brand new Star Wars The Last Jedi First Order Heavy Assault AT-M6 Cargo Walker. And it's a build and play snap type model kit. So I picked this up at Hobby Lobby for 30 bucks. So yeah, very different. But it's supposed to have lights and sounds. Nice picture right there. Both sides. Camera in the back, you got your obligatory product shots. It's like there's all the other ones you can get. There's Poe's boosted X-Wing fighter. I like to find that. Kylo Ren's. There was a lot of different other different model kits that was over there at the Hobby Lobby, but very cool. But kind of on the bottom here, First Order. Warning, choking hazard. You can see all that good stuff down below. But I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. Crack this bad boy open. Open this bad boy out. First piece comes out. It is a sound piece. Little bag of stuff right there. Or hell, might as well just dump it all that stuff out. There's the instructions, plastic. Don't need the plastic. But here's the instructions for this. We'll take these pieces out of here. Another bag of stuff out of there, plastic, off to the side. All this good bits, looks like pieces to the feet. So, alright. All this mumbo jumbo. Got all these bags of stuff. It says you can pull this out for the sounds. Okay. Stick that back in so it's not making any noise. Alright. Take a look at the instructions, the snap tight instructions. Alright, there's the booklet. First Order Heavy Assault AT-M6 Walker. There's all the pieces it's supposed to come with. And let's build this sucker, shall we? First up is one piece. Alrighty. Alright, companion app finally disconnected. Alright. Alright, when I see the instructions off to the side here, what we need looks like this bag of goodies right here. I can open the damn thing. There you go. Dump that out. That's one bag. We're just going to dump all this stuff out. so we can find our pieces better. Come on. Come on, man. Alright. Paper off the side. No, I don't want to turn my Xbox on. Bumped it. Oh, well. Get off there. There we go. Alright. Hope I didn't bite off more than I could chew for this video. Okay, these right here looks like they're the joints. For the legs, we're going to leave them in the bag so we don't lose them. And these look like the gun pieces that you put on. So, anywho, get down there and work on this model kit, shall we? Alright, the number one piece, it's supposed to be this piece here. Like this. And there's supposed to be a gun. Might be one of these pieces here. Yep. Alright. What is up, fellas? Thanks for tuning in to my live stream. Alright, get these little pieces out. Set them over there. Alright, we got this piece here. And we're supposed to get one of these, this piece here. And this is supposed to go right in here. Alright. And it looks like, look at the little seats. I'll show you guys here in a second on my live stream. Little seats right there. Pretty neat. Little seats molded in seats. Alright. Direction number 2. Grab the cab, which is this big boy right here. So, saying push the cab on. We push the cab on. Alright. Cool. Very neat. Alright. Cab's done. Now we go to the weapons. It's just like you just slot these weapons in here. Slot these weapons in here. Like so. Alright, put the weapons on both sides. And that's it for the head. This is the head of the AT-M6. We'll set that off to the side. Next up is supposed to be the body components. Looks like this piece here and this piece here. Saying this piece here is supposed to go right in here. Unless there's another piece similar to it. That looks like the piece. Yeah. That is the piece for it. Alright. The way that goes on, supposed to slot right in that groove. There we go. And this piece here is supposed to slide over that. Now before I even go any further, get that one piece. No, not that one. This piece here. Bring it to the back. And it's supposed to or unless this is the wrong direction. Nope, that's the right direction. Just give me a second, fellas. Bear with me. Okay, I'm supposed to squeeze this together. Then this piece is supposed to clip in right there. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, next page. Next up is the bigger pieces that go on top. Let's see, these pieces right here. So we just slide these pieces. Oh, wrong piece. Wrong side. Ha. Oh, that's the right side. It's supposed to go like that. I do believe. We'll grab the other side. There we go. It's supposed to clip on there. Snap tight. That's why they call it the snap tight model kit. There's the side of the cargo walker. Very nice. We're supposed to grab these things here. And they're supposed to slot in here somehow. Oh, okay, I see which one it is. It's this one. This one here slides in here. And the grooves like that. There we go. And then this other one goes right here on the other side. Clamp that together. Very nice. Then you put it together. Really? Okay. Grab the other piece and you just pretty much slide this sucker together. Okay. So slide it together. Okay. And there's the big body of the AT-M6 walker so far, fellas. Very cool. Alright. Big body we'll set off the side. Alright, next up is the legs. Oh boy, oh boy. My favorite part of these guys. The legs is very freaking touchy. Alright. First up is one of these pieces here. With this piece right here. Alright, we get one of these side pieces. Clip it on. We'll do that to all of them. We're going to find the other piece. There we go. Alrighty. Then we grab one of the feet. Alright. One of the feet's like this. Okay. Okay. We're going to go with this one. The way it shows. Oh, wait a minute. This goes on this side. Okay, where's the other piece? And then this piece here. Nope, wrong piece. Click that on, like so. Alright, we got a foot done. You're supposed to put that on there, and that's supposed to be the leg. Okay. Alright, this is the front left back leg. Okay. You grab these little connector pieces. Alright. And we need the small connector pieces for the legs. And they snap through on this side. Snap it in. Like so. There we got a leg. Yay, we got a leg. Alright. Alright, set that crap off the side. Next up is the leg again. Oh, wrong way, I do believe. Need a foot. So this here is the front left. So we'll connect it on there now so we can get it over with. Set it on here like this. Grab the bigger joint. Oh, dropping crap. Oh. Stick it in and clip it. Do believe it was that one, or yep, that's the right one. It's just, I don't know why it's so damn loose. I don't think it's the right one. But we'll figure that out as we go here. That is pretty tight. I mean, pretty loose. Alright. But, like I said, that is pretty tight. So, might have to okay. Apparently it's right, fellas. Apparently it's right. Okay, that one actually clipped in there tighter. Okay, there's that one leg. Actually, I put that leg on backwards. There we go. Perfect. Fixed it. Alright. Next up, you want to go over here. Grab your next foot. Bring this piece over. Bring it around. Sorry for it being a lengthy video, but this is actually amazing how they get these to get put together. Other side, I do believe. No, I was right. Alright. I'll grab the other big piece over here. That's what happened. I grabbed the longer ones because there's actually longer ones for these walkers, for the front. That's the whole problem. Alright. Here's the whole thing itself so far. Alright. Got the back legs down. Next page. Next up is to build the front legs. What you want to do? Grab yourself. Okay. And these pieces here are supposed to go right in here. These hollow bits. Perfect. Alright, next up is the feet itself in general. Alright. Now these feet are different compared to the other cargo walker I made. And it's a little bit different. Bear with me, fellas. Okay. Got this one here. This will go right here. Clip this bad boy in. Oh, wrong way, you big dummy. Oh, man, super tight. Man, that sucker's tight. Give me a second. The one they're showing me on the instructions here. Aha. They're showing me the wrong one the whole freaking time. Alright, we're going to get this one here. Put this one here on. Okay. That's part of what's going on here with me, because getting so damn freaking confused here with the cargo walker. Alright, this here's the leg for it. You grab this, put this to go over top of it. Grab this to go over top of that. And then we need, there we go. There's a leg. Bring that up. Clip that in. Alright, there's one leg. One more to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, fellas. You just gotta look at the instructions. Alright. It's not even showing where these little pieces go. I'm sure they'll shed some information as soon as I click this joint in. Alright. Very cool and articulated. Very neat so far. That says pop the head on. Okay. Pop the head on. Aha. These are the struts pieces for might be the other way around. Do you believe okay, it just gets set right down in there. Might have to pop his leg back off. Might. Alright, we'll pop his leg off real quick. Go his innards. Alright. Okay, we slide this in here. And this goes, oh, okay. I see what I missed a step. Alright. I know I missed a step. But, I'll fix this one quick and, yeah. Very simple fix. That's all what that does. Just gives them a look, a strut, his cylinders and stuff. And there is the AT-M6 cargo walker. And then you just grab this piece here, take the piece off, and this thing just slots right in the top here. I think it slots in. Now I'm knocking crap over. There we go. Perfect. There we got the AT-M6 cargo walker all together. So very cool little figure, pretty neat. But going to my review here, fellas. Very cool articulated figure. Bring in the AT cargo walker that I got. Very cool size comparison with them. Very neat. Very cool. So it's very cool to have that for your collection, fellas. So very cool. Highly recommend it, fellas. I'm not going to end my stream yet, but thanks for watching, guys, on my Trans 38 channel. Thank you. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment on any videos I do. Keep a lookout for new videos headed your way. Until next time, fellas, this is Trans 38 talking again. Don't forget to rate and subscribe and comment on anything I do. And keep a lookout for new videos headed your way. And don't forget to check out my gaming channel. Smokescreen 38 will be down in the description down below also. Until next time, fellas, this is Trans 38 talking to you again. I'm out of here. Later.